Hello everyone, my name is Bonde Monton, and today we will be discussing on ethical dilemma of speaking up. So the scenario I have chosen is uh number four. Scenario number four: a coworker con- confides to you that he is going to begin sending emails to your employees, internal a corporate blog site, which serve as a suggestion box. He planned to use anonymous remainder and sign the message anonymous. Your friend is afraid of retribution and retribution from superior, but he want to call attention to instance of racial and sexual discrimination observed during his 5 years as an employee with the firm. What would you say if your friend? So in this video we will tackle about the ethical dilemma of whistleblowing in the workplace, the ethical dilemma of speaking up. So in this presentation, you have see and this covers all the topics about the whistleblowing and ethical dilemma of speaking up. So without further ado, let's begin. Workplace discrimination, work a worker silent struggle. Now, the key term defined is understanding the key concept of ethics. So, whistleblowing involves reporting an ethical product, whereas workplace discrimination refers to unfair treatment based on characteristics. Retaliation is the adverse action to take against someone for reporting wrongdoing. So the ethical conflict, balancing ethical job security, we have the two duty versus uh, security. Whistleblowers face a difficult choice: uphold ethical standards by exposing a misconduct or protect their job security. This tension underscores the complexity of ethical decision making in the workplace. Now, the impact of discrimination, how discrimination undermines the workplace dynamics. We have three consequences of whistleblowing. We have retaliation, career impact, and moral implication. Um, Retaliation, whistleblowers often face retaliation from their employer, which can manifest as harassment, demotion, or even uh, termination, creating a hostile work environment for those who speak out. Next, the career impact. Reporting misconduct can significantly affect whistleblowers' career trajectory, leading to uh, career job opportunities or statued professional growth due to stigma attached to whistleblowing. Lastly, we have the moral obligation. Now, moral obligation, individuals may feel a moral obligation to report unethical practices, balancing personal safety against the responsibility for protect colleagues and uphold company integrity. Now, the legal protection, my bad. The overview of whistleblower protection. We have numerous law exists to protect whistleblower from retaliation, including the Whistleblower Protection Act, the various state statutes, um, statutes promoting a safe environment for reporting unethical conduct without fear of job losses. Now, next we proceed on reporting misconduct. We have four official channel, anonymous reporting, documenting issues, speaking support. Now, the official channels, using official report channels ensure the concern are properly documented and addressed. Employee should first approach HR or designated ethic officer for guidance and support. Next is the anonymous reporting. Many organizations provide anonymous reporting option to protect the whistleblower identity. This can encourage individual to speak up without fear of retaliation or job loss. Now, the second to the last, documenting issues. Accurate documentation of incident is crucial. Employees should maintain detailed record or specific occurrence to uh, substantiate their claim and aid in the investigation process. Yeah. Next, last would be speaking support. Now, the speaking support employee should speak support from trusted colleague or employee assistant program. Peer support can provide encouragement and guidance throughout the reporting process, fostering a safer environment. Next is the confidentiality option. Confidentiality option, importance of confidential organization often provide confidential and anonymous channel for reporting misconduct, ensuring employee feels safe when voicing concern without fear of exposure or retaliation. Protecting identity is crucial, of course. Now, documenting incidents. The important of the documenting incidents. Facul Factually, documenting incident is crucial for, of course, protecting yourself and ensuring your concerns are heard. Clear object, clear object record can support your claim and provide valuable context in any reporting process. So the um, next are employee right. We have five: protection, reporting, legal assistance, company policies, and the support system. Now, the protection, employee are protected under various laws that safeguard them against retaliation, report misconduct, ensuring them ensuring they can voice concerns that fear job loss or uh, punitive action. Now, the reporting, when employee reporting discrimination or unethical behavior, they are entitled to confidentiality, meaning their identity should remain protected to prevent any potential backlash from colleagues or supervisor. Now, the legal assistance, um, legal assistance um, seeking advice about their rights or forcing retaliation can access legal resource, including attorney who specialize in employment law to guide them through the process and protect their interests. Now we have the company policies. Organization often have internal policy that outline report procedures and protection for whistleblowers, which employees should familiarize themselves with to ensure can advocate of their right effectively. Now, lastly, the support system. Peer support and employee assistance programs can provide crucial emotions, backing for individual reporting, reporting doing wrongdoing, creating a safe environment where they feel empowered to speak up without fear. So next is the practical steps. Consulting. Got practical step. We have consulting policy and speaking guidance. Now, in practical step, understanding your company's goal for product conduct and seeking advice from trusted peer or HR can provide clarity and support when navigating ethical dilemma and workplace. Next is speaking up safely. The importance of it is speaking the importance of responsibility voicing. Um, Regarding for the workplace, concern is crucial for maintaining integrity by responsibly voicing concern. Employee protect themselves while advocating for fair and just work environment. So that covers all the ethical dilemma for the scenario 4. Um, Hope you have take note on that and unta ma-learn ninyo the ethic dilemma which I've discussed. Uh, that would be covers the presentation. And thank you. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you for watching.